Hi, John with CHI Roofing. We're here in Norwood on the Bluebird restaurant where we're doing a full roof replacement. Upon inspection of this roof, we found that it was ready for a replacement. This will be a commercial application in which we will be using a TPO system, which will be both glued and mechanically fastened. Once we tore the first roof off, we found that we had had some significant leaking over time. When we got down underneath the sheeting that needed to be replaced, we found that the truss system also was rotted out. With the help of some engineers, we had pre-engineered trusses designed and have installed those to give us a nice solid foundation for which to set our decking. Once the decking is set, then the system will start to go on. If you take a look around here, you'll see that we have new trusses tied into the existing walls, as well as 3/4 inch plywood sheeting, and then our TPO system is starting to get laid up with insulation beneath. If you find yourself in need of a commercial or residential roofing application, give us a call at CHI Roofing, 513-731-7663.